Freeze!
Naomi, what was that? Sorry, that was my stomach. I'm hungry and sick. Quiet. I give it to say. Omarie, what was that?
Sorry, that was my stomach.